Hi everyone. In today's screencast, I'll be showing you how to create a report in the Web Reports for EventSentry that gives you the details of memory consumption trends on the EventSentry hosts you're monitoring. First, we will want to go to our Web Reports from the Management Console, which are located under the Home toolbar. Next, under System Health, we will want to navigate to Performance and then Status. Here, under Names, we want to select Memory, and then we want to click on the Detailed button in the top left-hand corner. This now shows us a list of our monitored host's current memory usage in percent out of 100%. EventSentry is able to calculate this value by using the performance package in the Management Console. There's a memory counter in there, which calculates the equation 100 minus the available megabytes divided by megabytes installed times 100. This is useful for when you have a large amount of hosts you would like to display the current memory consumption information for. From this window, you also have the option in the top right-hand corner to click on Save as Report. From here, we can detail what we would like the report to contain, and we can also create a recurring job that can be sent to multiple email addresses and at intervals that we prefer. I'm going to show you these features in more detail with a trend report. So if you would like more visual feedback, you can head to System Health, Performance Trends. Here we will want to click on Memory on the left-hand side, and here you can see we have a summary page which contains the past 12 hours, 2 days, and week for memory consumption in percent for this particular host of DC1. To add more hosts, you can click on the counter button in the bottom left-hand corner and then select multiple hosts. Each new host will be represented by a new colored line on the graph. You also have the ability to customize the amount of time that you're seeing in these graphs. In our case, we want to see the last 24 hours of data. And here we have a chart which indicates the trend of memory usage in percent for these particular hosts we've selected over the last 24 hours. Now, in the top right-hand corner, we're going to click on the 3-line button and select Action Save as Report. From this screen, we need to add the descriptive information that lets us know what this report is accomplishing. Now, here's a key part to reports, making them into a recurring job that can be sent in different file formats to different email recipients. Once you've checked the Create Job box, a number of options become available for making this report into a recurring email with a file format of your choosing. You can send the report formatted as a CSV, HTML, or PDF file. In our case, I want to receive a PDF file. You have the option to send empty reports. You will want to leave this at Yes if you always expect to have data in your reports. If you expect to sometimes have a report with no data, you will want to set this as No. Next, you need to configure the email address that you will be sending the report to. Finally, you will set the frequency of the job. In our case, because we set the search to reflect the past 24 hours, I would like the job to run daily. After you have configured the job to run, you want to click on Save. Now, if I click on Reports and then List, you can see the report that I created to track the memory use over the last 24 hours, as well as the one job I created under the Jobs column. I'm going to skip ahead a few minutes for the sake of time to when the report has arrived in my inbox. And as you can see, the report has come into my email. And here's the PDF file showing the trends of memory use over the past 24 hours. And that's how easy it is to set up a report in the EventSentry Web Reports and then make it into a recurring job which is emailed out. This is extremely convenient for monitoring my network, and it saves me time. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.